Let us try to understand how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. Let us see how to do it. In fact, I'll show you two ways of doing it. Okay? So here is convert the following improper fractions to mixed fractions. You understand what are improper fractions? The fractions in which numerator is larger than denominator. So we have got three of them, and 7 over 5. 7 is greater than 5, which is a numerator greater than denominator. Therefore, it is improper fraction. 3 over 2. 3 is greater than 2. So this fraction is actually greater than 1. Therefore, we call it improper fraction. We expect fractions to be smaller than 1, isn't it? But here 7 over 6 is also greater than 1. Now how much greater? That is what we will see by converting them into mixed fractions. Okay? So how much greater are they from 1 is what mixed fraction will tell you. So when we say 7 over 5, how to write this in the form of mixed fraction? Well, what we will do is, we can write 7 as 5 plus what? Think about it. So we can write this equals to 7 as 5 plus 2 is 7, and we still have 5 in the denominator. So 5 out of 5 is 1 whole, and we are left with 2 over 5. That is what it is. So 5 out of 5 is 1 whole, and we are left with 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. And that is how we write it as a mixed fraction. That is so simple. Did you expect me to give you this answer? That is amazing. Okay, let's try to do it once more. 3 over 2. Now let me write 3 as 2 plus what? 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2, and 2 over 2 is 1 whole. 1 over 2 remains. Wow! Again a mixed fraction without division? This is amazing. You can convert improper fractions to mixed fraction even without knowing how to divide numbers, right? Here is another one. 7 over 6. 7 is 6 plus what? Oh wow! 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 divided by 6. And 6 over 6 is just 1. We are left with 1 over 6. Done. So that is how you do improper fractions to mixed number. So in each case, what did we do? Numerator we write numerator as combination of denominator plus some number. That is what we did, right? So you get these two. 2 over 2 is 1 whole. You are left with half. There it is. In this case, 6 over 6 is 1 whole, and you're left with 1 over 6. So that becomes a fraction for you. So that is how we can easily convert improper fractions to mixed fractions, right? So, well, in the next video, I'll show you how to divide and do it. For the time being, let's enjoy this process. And there are, as usual, some practice problems for you. So let me give you similar kind. So 7 over 5, instead of that, let me write this as 7 over 4, right? And here I will write 5 over 2. And then in this case, I will write a number like 6 over 5. Try to write them as mixed fractions and see for yourselves how simple it is. Okay, in the next video we'll take slightly bigger numbers so that we have something to divide with. Okay, and hope you get it as you got this one also. Thank you and all the best.